was walking a ribbon of highway, I saw above me and in the skyway, I saw below me a golden valley. Yeah, this land was made for you.
Chris Biddle here for In the Sticks. I'm here at the Quincy Bog. We're walking the perimeter around it. Me and three hangers-oners back there. It was 7 degrees this morning. It's up to about 20 now. There's not a breath of wind, which makes it very tolerable. We've been out here for about an hour now and coming down to the home stretch. So I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a look of the bog and the bridge network. And we got about 9 inches of snow, as you saw in the previous report the other night up here. And now it's a very popular trail, even in 9 inches of snow. Looks like less in some spots because it's still on the trees a lot. So here's one of the opening vistas of the Quincy Bog in Rumney. And pretty much that's the whole perimeter. We're almost back to the parking lot now. So that's today's adventure on In the Sticks. Chris Biddle for Cape Ann Weather. Twitter, Facebook, worldwide interweb. See you next time. Bye-bye.
As I was walking a ribbon of highway, I saw a